Wynwood Island is a railway island, where the history expands from the past and into the present day, with many stories to tell. These are the stories of animals, friends, and families, and steam diesel and electric locomotives who were conserved under the almighty which was Sealining Railway. A time of innovation, motivation, and change. For friends, family, animals, and their adventures, and steam diesel electrics and their services. These are the stories of locomotives and their crews who work hard, who bring friendships by helping, lending a hand, and simply cheering them up, while keeping their spirits high from their adventures. These are the adventures of the Sealining Railway. Episode 16. Race to the finish. If there's any engine can do it that he loves pulling the suburban services, it will have to be Diego. It was a very simple job too. Pulling station for stations for picking up passengers all over the commuter suburban services. But still, he was being responsible for his job. However though, racing through against the vehicles on the roads, maybe it could just happen itself. One summer morning, Diego was waiting at the junction when four unlikely friends stopped alongside him.
Oh, hello. I haven't seen you before. What are you guys?
I'm Suki. This is Axel, Hazel, and Tibor. What a pig we pack. What's your name?
Well, you know me. I'm Diego, an LBSCRE2.
So you're Diego. I remember now. You're the ones with Danielle. You've been having taken a suburban service while we deliver packages. Welcome to help you with the passengers to deliver packages.
Help me? I can't go faster than you guys.
You can't?
I can't.
You can't?
I can't.
We'll race you. So they all agreed they're going to do a race themselves each other. The signalman gave the signal to everybody. Are you ready? Go! Diego wasn't going any faster, but he's still continuing on. Why don't you go fast? Why don't you go fast?
Wait and see. Wait and see.
They're a long way ahead. But Diego was still paying attention. They remembered the level crossing. And there's Pickwick Pack at the gates as Diego rushes by.
Goodbye, Pickwick Pack.
After that, the railway left the road so they couldn't see the Pickwick Pack. Then they had to stop at Pinewood Station to pick up more passengers.
Line sight. Next stop, line sight.
Diego was going too slower, but they need to keep up. And they saw something up ahead. There's Pickwick Pack up the bridge.
Oh dearie me, oh dearie me.
Steady now, steady. We'll be Pickwick Pack yet. We'll be Pickwick Pack yet. We'll be Pickwick Pack yet.
We're doing it, we're doing it.
Diego stops at Lineside Station. Then they look Pickwick Pack. Goodbye, Diego. You must be tired. Sorry we can't stop. We need to deliver packages, you know. Goodbye.
Phew, almost got it.
What's wrong, Diego? Still worrying about losing the race?
No, I'm thirsty.
I see what you mean. Well, it means it's time to fill up with water right now. And so they did.
Just what I need.
Soon they were all ready. The guard blew his whistle, and they were off.
Hurrah, we're up! Hurrah, we're up!
As they passed near the road, they saw up ahead a past it. There was Pickwick Pack waiting at the traffic light. They started at full speed and chased after Diego again. Now Diego was at full speed himself. Pickwick Pack tried hard, but Diego was too fast. Whistling triumphantly, raced into the distance, leaving Pickwick Pack far behind.
I've done it! I've done it!
You've done it! Hooray! You've done it! Hooray! As they approach it into the station. At Pickwick Station, everybody was celebrating Diego's victory. The Pickwick Pack doesn't mind losing the race. Wow, Diego, you're very fast. But to beat you over that hill, we should use Hazel's helicopter to fly over you.
You can say that again, Suki.
They now keep each other very busy. They often talk about the race. But Pickwick Pack doesn't like the packages being bounced like grease in the frying pan. And Daniel had warned Diego not to race at dangerous speeds. But Diego's agreement, he was always be responsible for this one. So although, between you and me, they would like to have another race, I don't think they have a will. Do you?